Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to block your UBA ATM card in 2025. With rising digital threats, it's crucial to act fast if your card is lost, stolen, or compromised. This guide is straightforward and up to date for the latest UBA systems, so let's jump right in. First off, why block your card? Simple. It's your first line of defense against unauthorized transactions. In 2025, UBA has made the process even more user-friendly with enhanced digital tools. The quickest way is through the UBA mobile app. Start by downloading or updating the app from your phone's app store. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Management section. There, you'll find an option to block card. Enter your card details, confirm your identity with a PIN or biometric scan, and voila! Your card is blocked instantly. If you don't have the app handy, don't worry. You can call UBA's 24/7 customer service line. In 2025, the number is 0700 UBA block. That's 0700-8,222,562. A representative will guide you through verification and block your card right away. Make sure you have your account details ready to speed things up. Another option is logging into your UBA online banking portal. Access it via the official website, go to the security settings, and select Block ATM Card. This method requires two-factor authentication for extra security, which is a smart addition in 2025. If you're not tech-savvy or prefer in-person help, head to your nearest UBA branch. Bring a valid ID, and the staff can assist you on the spot. Remember, always report any suspicious activity to prevent fraud. A few quick tips. After blocking, monitor your account for any unauthorized charges and request a new card as soon as possible. UBA's 2025 updates include faster reissuance, often within 48 hours. There you have it. Blocking your UBA ATM card is easier than ever. Stay safe out there, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.